Okay, so next we're going to be looking at the pair plot. So we use seaborn, SNS is what we've assigned it to, its alias. So SNS dot pair plot. We're going to assign df or data equals to df, and we're only going to look at the continuous features. We've created a list of the continuous features. I've added to this list legendary, and I'm going to take it out after we look at this list, but I'm looking at legendary, and which is a category feature in our data set. So whether this is true or false. I'm going to look at a two-dimensional histogram. And what we want to do is also plot a histogram across the diagonal axis in our pair plot. And we get we're going to make some changes to that histogram. So we're going to go diagonal keywords. So DIAG underscore KWS, element step, fill true, stat density, line width equals 2. This gives us a nice effect for our pair plot. And we can see here so much information that we can gather, but we have the histogram with the stepping feature and fill, and we have the regular 2D histogram over here in the bivariate plots. And this just gives us so much interest. We can really see the density of where the cloud of data is the most dense. And this is something that we lose in a scatter plot where you just see lots of dots and it doesn't really show you how many points of data are at any specific point. So this 2D histogram can be very valuable.